Hey yo, 1, 2, 3, get up, we got victory. No way.
Good morning, guys. I am back with another video, and today's video will be a DIY. You already know. Sorry. I feel like I was losing my voice for a little minute. So anyways, like I was saying, it's a DIY video. Y'all, look at my desk that my daughter destroyed with all my makeup. Like, she went in my lipstick and smeared it on my desk, and I'm like, why, Jessica? What you crying for? Listen, y'all. So anyways, so today is a DIY vanity mirror. You guys know I needed a vanity mirror because this is my little station where I do my makeup, and I want to start doing my hair videos and stuff right here, but I need something with good lighting, LED light. As you all know, I sometimes sit at this desk and I use my little lamp light, which is a touch and off type thing. So yeah, but I need something better, and I got a bigger mirror. This is like a 27, no, I'm lying, I think it's 26 by 27 inch type mirror, excuse me, that I got from Walmart for only 30 bucks. Now y'all know vanity mirrors, well, they already being made with the LED lights. They're about approximately there are about almost 100 bucks, or 60 and over. It just depends on what size mirror you want. And I was just like, I'm not gonna pay $100 for something that I really want, that I think I can do it myself. So I did some researching on YouTube, and I seen how you can do a vanity mirror yourself. And so going into the next thing I purchased was my LED lights. So I thought the bulbs was going to be a little bigger when I purchased this off Amazon, but they're actually small. So I was like, why is the bulb so small? So my husband was like, it's a good size for the mirror that I have. So I'm assuming it's going to look good once I put the mirror together. So I'm going to sit on this carpet of mine on the floor, and I'm going to put this together, and I'm going to show you guys how I seen it, that you can put it together and hide them ugly cords that come with it. So man, I gotta really get some acetone and get that off, because I'm really hating the fact that it is even on there. Jessica, get out my stuff, man. No! Don't tell me. Okay, guys, so I am back from getting my nails done, as you can see, and from doing her doctor's appointment. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this DIY. Got my bulbs, some tape, scissors, and of course my mirror is by me. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I am finally finished, and I'm so sorry if my daughter may have blocked anything in this footage, because I don't know if she did, because she was right by me while I was doing the mirror. But I want you guys to see the back of the mirror anyways. So as you can see, this is what it looks like in the back of the mirror with the tape holding down the wire. It is not perfect, it is not pretty, because nobody not gonna see the back of the mirror. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my dresser. Why is this camera doing this? Okay, so I finally got it hooked up. So let's see what it's looking like. Now how beautiful is that? Look at that, y'all. My own vanity mirror. Yes, I am loving this. This light is so bright, and I think you can adjust the lights on here. So let me see. Nope. Oh, look. You can dim it. You can brighten it. It's pretty cool, right? So that is it. I got some extra light for days. So that is it. So as you guys can see, this is going toward the end of my video. That is my girls. Stop. I'm sorry, y'all. So let me just turn this off. Oh, it changes color too. So this is like the regular lighting, you would say. This is like the more the LED, but a dark version. And then let me see. I'm gonna go back to this one.
Just so.
Okay, well, that's just pretty much it. I'm gonna turn it off now.
No.
It is plugged. I don't necessarily have to keep it plugged. I'm going to just go ahead and probably unplug it. But that is my DIY do-it-yourself vanity mirror. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I am winding down because my daughter is getting all into my stuff, as you guys can see. So yeah, comment. Well, I think I turned my comments off, but like this video if you like it. Peace out.